Good afternoon, folks. I am Joe Rivera. We are here talking about buying homes today, and one of the things that everybody needs to resolve is people who have credit score difficulties or low credit scores. I'm here with Geraldo Rivera. He's been in the industry for many years. He's now retired. Welcome, Jerry. I have a question for somebody who wants to buy a house but has a credit problems. What do you recommend that they do?
First, you need to request your credit report. You can do it through Credit Karma or annualcreditreport.com.
Okay.
All right. Then you need to look at your credit and determine if you have any derogatory information on your credit report or if you have no credit. Okay. If you have derogatory credit, I will consult with a mortgage broker because he's going to be getting you the financing anyway, and he'll weigh in what needs to be fixed and what could be left alone, like medical bills and stuff like that. But if you have like a car repossession, you have finance companies or department stores, you could do a settlement. Okay, where you pay a portion, like a 50 cents on the dollar.
How would that work?
Basically, you contact the creditor and you offer them, you say, look, I don't have the $2,000 that I owe you, but I have $500. Start low. And then they'll do a counter offer on you.
Okay.
And then whenever you come to an agreement, all right, you want it in writing. And then when you pay them, do not pay them over the phone. Send them a cashier's check so you have a copy of it for your mortgage broker.
Gotcha.
Also get a letter from the creditor saying, okay, you pay $500 out of this $1,000 loan. We'll declare the account paid in full. And then just get that documentation. Documentation is key because you can give that to your mortgage broker.
Okay. So you check your credit report. You see what's wrong with it. The mortgage broker would be your pal to help you get all this information and get the ball rolling. Yes?
Yes. On the other hand, if you have no credit, then you can get alternative credit. Like, for example, if you pay your cable bill or your phone bill or your insurance bill on time, it doesn't get reported to the credit bureau. But if you don't pay, it gets reported as a negative entry in your credit report.
So how do we make them to be positive?
So by that definition, you can get what we call a alternative credit letter. You can get that. You can get it like an alternative credit where it shows, how much is your original balance, how much you pay, and when do you pay. And you can take
and who do you submit that to?
You send that to your creditor so he can fill it out.
Okay.
And then you send that to the credit bureau, and the credit bureau can add a trade line as a positive rating, saying that you've been paying your insurance on time, that you've been paying your cell phone on time.
Does your lender care about that?
Oh, yes, they do. Because
so you would also send that to the lender or to your mortgage broker?
Right. So if you have a mortgage broker already, give that letter to them. Also, your mortgage lender can do what they call they can add credit. They can use that and add it as a trade line on the credit report to increase your credit report, your credit score. Now, so that's pretty much it. Your credit score can be from 620 to 580.
Gotcha.
Okay, and that will help you bring it up.
Gotcha. All right, Jerry, I appreciate your time. Thank you very much. Well, folks, I'm here at Senor Frogs, and we're just having lunch over here and enjoying our time. Take care. God bless.